In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a full website using Hostinger's AI website builder. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if the idea of building a website feels overwhelming, confusing, or like something you've been putting off for way too long, this video is for you. A lot of people think building a website means learning WordPress, picking themes, installing plugins, or hiring someone to do it for you, and that stops a lot of good ideas from ever going live. What I want to show you today is a much simpler option. This is about creating a website fast, without code, without setup stress, and without needing to know what half the buttons even mean, honestly. I'm going to walk you through how this works, what the AI actually builds for you, and where to click so you can decide if this is the right tool for you. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics. What is Hostinger AI Website Builder? Hostinger AI Website Builder is a separate product from WordPress. It's an all-in-one website builder that uses AI to create a full site for you based on prompts. Instead of starting from a blank page, the AI is going to ask you a few simple questions about your website, and from that, it generates a layout, pages, text, and design automatically. This means you're not choosing themes, installing plugins, or setting up WordPress. You're pretty much starting with a complete site that you can edit visually. This builder is designed for speed and simplicity. It's meant for people who want a site live without turning website building into a massive project. I do want to be very clear on who this is for and who it's not for. This is a great option if you want a website fast and don't want to deal with technical setups. So it works great for personal brands, small businesses, coaches or creators, landing pages, portfolio sites, and simple service websites. If your goal is to publish something clean and professional quickly, this tool makes sense. This is probably not the best fit if you need heavy customization, advanced plugins, or complex workflows. WordPress is still better for that. This builder is about speed, clarity, and ease. The biggest reason AI website builders are growing is because they remove the hardest part of building a site, which is just getting started. Most people don't struggle with editing text or swapping images. They struggle with the blank screen. They don't know what pages they need, what to write, or how to structure things. AI fills that gap. It gives you a starting point that's already organized. From there, editing feels manageable instead of overwhelming. Okay, now how creating a site with Hostinger AI Builder works. If you don't already have a Hostinger account, we do have a link down in the description below. Once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page. You can go ahead and choose a plan that best fits your needs. I'm going to go over this later in detail, but you'll just choose a plan and create an account. Once you are in Hostinger and logged in, this is what it's going to look like. So we've got our homepage, we've got our websites, we've got domains, horizons, emails, email marketing, VPS, billing, and then all other services. We're going to go ahead and go to websites, and we're going to add website. We're going to go to the Hostinger website builder. So now let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, maybe we want to go ahead and do a bakery. So we can do something like this. I run a neighborhood bakery that makes fresh bread, pastries, and cakes daily. I want a clean, modern website that feels warm and inviting. This site should highlight our baked goods, share our story, list our location and hours, and include a contact form for custom orders. I want soft colors, simple layouts, and an easy to read design. See, we've used 338 out of 700. So maybe we want to add a couple more characters to get even more specific. So again, we could add a bit more, but I think that's good. Now we will just let the AI do its thing. Wow, that was very fast. That took approximately 15 seconds. Okay, so as you can see, we've got Golden Crumb Bakery, fresh every day, warm breads, flaky pastries, order now. Then we've got baked goods. This is kind of giving us a preview. This is insane for how quickly it did this. Now we can go ahead and edit this site, and this is where we're going to make it our own now. But again, this is just a really great starting point. Imagine if we had to do all of this from scratch, it would probably take us hours, but now we can come in here and customize the images, customize the text if we want to change it. We can go ahead and add elements like the text, the button, an affiliate find, add to bag, image, gallery. We've got pages right here. So we've got home, baked goods. It even has tips to increase your SEO. So you can literally just click generate SEO. Okay, we can finish and bam. So again, what's cool about this is it just takes you step by step. This is where your store would be, which you would need to go go ahead and add. But again, I just wanted to show you how quickly this created everything. You can come in here, you can edit this section, you can change the background, the layout, the anchor. You can, of course, generate a new image if you wanted to. You can just change the image if you want to add in your own bakery, of course. You can edit the image, you can remove it. Again, you can go ahead and add your gallery. If you want to add a whole other section, you can do that too. So you can generate the section with AI. Okay, maybe we'll just want to create that section. Again, let AI do its thing. So fast. Even if we wanted to delete this, maybe we want to delete this. Maybe we want the position to be up. So again, they just make it so easy to have a website up and running. Just a couple last things about editing the site. So you can click on your text to rewrite it. You can click on sections to move or delete them. You can swap images or change colors visually. There's no coding, no menus buried in settings. What you see is what you're editing. Again, I'm not going to edit anything here. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to actually do that. Once you are done, all you have to do is publish your site. So Hostinger gives you a temporary domain, so you can go live even if you don't have a custom domain yet. All you have to do is go ahead and click go live. You also can preview. You can see what it looks like on the phone. Again, it's just kind of insane how easy it is to make a full website these days. So now I wanted to talk about what makes this different from WordPress. The biggest difference is setup time. WordPress gives you flexibility, but it also gives you decisions, themes, plugins, settings, updates. That's great if you want a lot of control, but it can slow a ton of people down. The Hostinger AI website builder removes most of those decisions. You can start with something finished and then adjust from there. This is just going to make it easier to publish quickly and easier to maintain if you don't want to manage updates or plugins. Okay, now let's go ahead and touch on the different plans and pricing options. So again, if you want to use our link down below, you can save up to 85% off. So they've got a couple different options here. Both plans are 30-day money back guaranteed. You can cancel anytime and 24/7 chat support. So the first is the premium website builder, which is just $1.99 per month plus 3 months free. With this, you get one website, 5 website pages, 2 gigabytes of storage, 1 mailbox per website free for a year. And then you get other premium benefits like free domain for the year, build sites in minutes, which you saw, it literally took 2 seconds, choose from 170 plus designer made templates, create and send email campaigns, grow faster with tools for SEO, email, and marketing at your business. Update your site anytime with mobile editing. Then the most popular is the business website builder. So this is saving you 84% off, which brings it to just $2.99 per month plus the 3 months free. So with this, you get 50 websites, unlimited website pages, 50 gigabytes of storage, and then 5 mailboxes per website free for 1 year. Then you get everything in Premium Plus. You can sell up to 1,000 products and manage your store really easily. Keep 100% of your profits with 0% transaction fees, which is massive. Offer 100 plus payment methods to reach more customers. Track performance with live analytics. Sell custom merch. Polish your copy. Upload images. Design your brand identity. Again, just AI makes everything 1,000 times easier. So choose a plan that best fits your needs. If you're going to be selling products, definitely would recommend going with the business plan. If not, you're probably off starting with the premium website builder. And again, they have a 30-day money back guaranteed. So if you are not obsessed with it and are not loving how it's turning out, you can get your money back within that 30-day window. Before we wrap up, I just wanted to touch on some of the pros and cons. So starting off with the pros, the biggest advantage is speed. You can go from idea to live site in the same day. There's no technical setup, no plugins, no themes, no hosting configuration. The editor is visual and beginner friendly. You don't need to know how websites work behind the scenes. It's also great for people who get stuck at the starting line. The AI just gives you structure immediately. Now for the cons, so you just don't get that same level of customization as WordPress. You're working within the builder system, which just means fewer advanced options. If you plan to scale into a complex site later, you may eventually want a different setup. Again, just some things to keep in mind while you are making your decision. This is a really great option for you if your main goal is to get something live quickly without the stress. It's also great if you've been delaying launching a site because it feels like too much work. However, if you do want that full control, WordPress might still be the better option, but for speed and ease of use, this builder does exactly what it promises. Building a website doesn't have to be a big, scary project. Most of the time, the hardest part is just getting started. Tools like AI website builders just make it so much easier to move forward without waiting until everything feels perfect. You can publish something simple now and improve it over time. If you've been putting off building a website because it feels overwhelming, Hostinger website builder is such a great way to take that first step. And if you want to check out this Hostinger AI website builder, again, we do have that link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you learn and use AI tools in a simple, practical way. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.